So this is my only Wonder Worm I have. It looks blue over here. It looks blue in the camera. It looks blue in the camera. So this one is let me name it. Edwin. So I got a pink one. It looks orange in the camera, orange. So this one is shrimp. And this one, look, it got bent. The one in it's called, that one Craigzano. This one is called Blueberry. This one is called Bomb. This one's called Bam Bam. And he's yellow. And this is all my Squirrels. You know where they sell them? The Wonder Worm in Party City. Those on Nostalgic Toys Park, Michael's, Toys R Us TV, or in other places. And you could watch all those worms. And thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.